Hi guys, welcome to the new video of this Linux tutorial series. The command that we're gonna discuss in this video is called factor command. So in our school days, we in the max we have a chapter of factorization and multiple tools I created on multiple this max utility. So there are many max utility in the Linux that we will discuss day by day. Like if you want to do square or cube root, or if you want to find the factorization or factors of number, LCM, HCM, if you heard of these terms in your school days and if you remember. So I created one of the tool that we will learn also when we are learning the best scripting. So I created some tool like press 1 if you want to find a factor of this, press 2 if you want to find an LCM. But for that you need to know these commands. Okay, so we will discuss the factor command in this video. Factor command, what it will do, what factor command will tell us is it will print the prime factor of a given number. And the syntax is very simple, that command name and then we have option and then we can pass multiple number like number 1 or number 2. Let's see it in the demo. If I do factor of 10, it given me factor of 1, no factor of 1 as you know. And if you find a factor of 17, so 17 factor is only 17. We can't divide 17 by any other number. See, that's why 17. If I do 100, it will give me a factor of 100. Now, let's check the other option of factor command. So we can check help or version, but you can pass multiple numbers also. Let's say I want the factor of 17, I want a factor of 31, I want a factor of 37. See, these are all the numbers that can be divided by themselves only. That's why they have a factor of number same as them. But if I do 10, 100 or let's say 99 or 99 some number, see, it given me a factor of all the numbers in very neat and clean format. Now how I can use is if you want to find a factor of so much big number, so let's say this is the number. That's why we will use OS and the calculator. So they are too fast, we can't calculate the factor of this number. But see, it calculated the factor very quickly. So that's the use of the factor command, and that's how we can use give multiple number to find factor of multiple numbers. So the max students can use this utility to calculate their factor very quickly. So that's all about the video. If you like the video, hit the subscribe button and hit the bell icon. If you have any doubts, you can post your doubts in comment box or reach out to me LinkedIn. Thank you for watching the video.